Tired of switching between a vacuum and a mop every time you clean your floors? The Roborock F25 AC Pro is designed to do it all faster and smarter. This is a powerful wet and dry vacuum mop, combining strong suction with advanced cleaning technology to tackle dirt, dust, and spills in one go. With up to 25,000 pascals suction power, it easily removes debris, while the foam spray system helps break down stubborn stains for a deeper clean. One of its standout features is the hot self-cleaning system at 203 degrees Fahrenheit, which keeps the brush clean and hygienic after every use. No more manual scrubbing. The 180 degrees lie-flat design allows you to clean under furniture with ease, reaching areas most cleaners simply can't. It's also completely cordless, giving you full freedom to move around your home without limitations. Perfect for tile, hardwood, and delicate floors, it delivers powerful cleaning while remaining gentle on surfaces. And thanks to its smart design, it's easy to use, easy to maintain, and built for everyday convenience. If you want faster, smarter, and more efficient floor cleaning, this is a serious upgrade. Check the link in the description to learn more.